So we shall go outside maybe like in the afternoon and we do some flying after we have done the assembly. So I request all of you to come and be with us in this time that we are going to enjoy together. Please come and join us. This side, like this side, yes. This is what we are going to get. Since we don't have the 50 shilling coin, so we are going to get stones of this side. Then after we get it, you'll get your stone and put it somewhere here. Somewhere here, then you fold this so that it holds the stone inside, within inside. This is what we shall do. Something like this, a very small stone. A very small stone. You push this thing out of the fuse like this. This is something that was cut out, so you push it out. The fuse like, and even at the behind. Even at the behind part, there is also one part behind, so you can do something like this. Yes. And this is the wing. This is the wing section. So you hold your airplane like this, then you get your wing and push it inside, just like we have been doing on the other side, on the other airplane. But these ones are very flexible, like they can break easily. So you push it when you hold it. Push it like this. The front, yeah. There's also front part. Now these are the ailerons behind. The number should be facing in front. The number should be facing in front, not behind. Right, and that's what we have been doing on Joel's model. So you have to adjust it in a way that it flies very nice. Maybe what we are going to do, we are going to apply some glue. This is glue. So we are going to apply some glue. This is super glue we apply on the tile like this. We're going to put a drop. This one drop is enough. And even on the upper side, like on the vertical stabilizer, one drop is enough. Don't put on the wing. One drop is enough, and then you share. Please make sure this thing is balancing in the middle. It is not in the middle like mine. You see mine is somehow in the middle. So make sure it is balancing. Put it in the middle. Even the wing is in the middle. Make it, assemble it in the way that it is in the middle part here, like that. Then you can now apply it. And make sure that it is straight, parallel to this one. This is the front side. Please bring. Be patient, okay? So we are now learning how to build an airplane. This is how we make it. You share the glue. No, don't put it in the way. Don't put it in the way. Please make sure you don't lose the clip. Now, after we are done, you will go with some of these papers. Read the instructions on how to build it. Yes. So we are going to begin with You get this.
Light.
It's too much.
Okay. So this is, let's pick this, let's get this. This is the wing section. Now I have some blades with me here. I'm going to give a few of them. After we shall return them back. This is physics, fine art. Now, where are the other models? Okay, yeah, here. This one is called the P-40 Warhawk. It's a P-40 Warhawk. This one is a fighter aircraft that we are going to use. Let me show you the full version. Super blue. Here in the middle and here on the whole line. You can even put the whole line. Please share. Share the group. The angle shouldn't be too high. It's a very slight angle, just like mine. Don't break.
Very good.
You bring it here. We are going to fix it. Push it inside. It should be vertical. Push it inside. It should be like mine. It should be just like this. You push it inside, vertical. Don't make it bend. Push it inside, vertical. Just like mine here. It should be vertical. Continue pushing it inside. This is what I've just made. You can follow the instruction. Just like mine. This is the alpha. So when you're done, you sort of check up on some glue, you apply some glue. This is our propeller. Give it thrust. Push it and the front like this. are going to look like this. It's called a rubber band mower. It doesn't use an engine. It uses a rubber band. It is the one that powers the propellers. So the one that causes it to spin. So you shall hold it like this when you go outside to fly. You shall bring this one down and so when you go outside, this is what we are going to do. This is the rubber band wind. It winds the rubber band. Just like this. So when you go outside, you shall fly it. You just have to release the rubber band.
Go.
And it will fly by itself without any support. So this is what we shall do as we go.
Nikuine.
So this is called the alpha.
Nikurebe.
This is how we shall do outside when we are done. I think we can put aside some of these. Can we still build more airplanes? Because those guys will still